Today, let's find the minimum value of this given function. X is a real number. Sine x plus cos x plus tangent x plus cotangent x plus secant x plus cosecant x. Absolute value. Now, first I can just rewrite. So first we have to recognize we have this identity, sine x plus cos x. We can rewrite it as square root of 2. Then 1 over square root of 2 sine x plus 1 over square root of 2 cos x. Then square root of 2 sine x cos pi over 4 plus cos x sine pi over 4. Right? So that's square root of 2 sine angle sine. Okay, so then we can easily rewrite, let's call it minimum f of x. So f of x is in fact square root of 2 sine x plus pi over 4. Then we plus sine x over cos x. Then cos x over sine x. Secant, so 1 over cos x plus 1 over sine x. We can further simplify. I say that's square root of 2 sine x plus pi over 4 plus sine x cos x. The sine square plus cos square. That's sine x cos x sine x plus cos x. And square root of 2 sine x plus pi over 4 plus, we have the double angle formula. If we have 2, we have sine 2x. So here we have half of sine 2x. Right, likewise, the top is the same as this one. Right? Square root of 2 sine x plus pi over 4. Down here, likewise half sine 2x. Right? So up to this step, I can realize that if double this angle gives me what? 2x plus half pi. Right? So this time I can just let x plus pi over 4 equal y, because I noticed that 2y equal 2x plus half pi. Right? Almost 2x, right? Half pi. Maybe we can rewrite sine as cosine. Right? That's their relation. Right? So, like I said, sine sine 2y, right? Sine 2x. Sine 2x equals what? Sine 2y minus half pi. That's cos. If you take out negative sign out here, right? Add a negative sign here. But sine is odd function. Right? Take out the negative sign out here. So, like I said, sine with, right, so negative half pi minus 2y. Right? Get rid of the negative sign. Right? Odd function. Negative sine half pi minus 2y. That's negative cos 2y. Right? So we just have to replace sine 2x with negative cos 2y. Down here, here, and sine x plus pi over 4 now is equal sine y. So this time my f of x should equal to square root of 2 times, like I said, this time sine y. Square root of 2 sine y. And then plus 2 over sine 2x. Like I said, sine 2x is just this one. Right? So I have minus 2 over cos 2y. Likewise, minus square root of 2 sine y. Let's just put the 2 in here, right? Flip this 2 up, up. So sine 2x again. Negative cos 2y. So this time let me just I'll let sine y equal t. Right? So cos 2y equal to 1 double angle formula, 1 minus 2 sine square y. That's 1 minus 2 times t squared. Right? So this time, square root of t minus 2 over 1 minus 2t squared minus 2 square root of 2t. 1 minus 2t squared. Okay, so before we rush to find the common denominator, let's just say maybe combining these two, we can just forget about this term. Maybe we combine these two. Maybe we can simplify further, because this time we have 2 plus this term, right? So how can I'm just going to rewrite the bottom. 1 minus square root of 2t. 1 plus square root of 2t. Right? Then take out the 2. 1 plus square root of 2 times t. So this term, they can just simplify. Right? So this time, 2 over 1 minus square root of 2t. So right now I can just rewrite this f of x, like I said, in terms of t. Of course, we'll find absolute value, then find its minimum. So square root of t minus, I'll just say plus. I'll give this negative sign to that one, then 2 over square root of 2t minus 1. Then I can just minus 1 plus 1. So I can have the same term. So this time I just say, remember there is an absolute value, right? So if this is positive, right, this term is positive, then everything is positive. We don't need absolute value, right? So if okay, so this time it's fundamental inequality, right? So 2 times square root of this product. So 2 times square root of 2. Only when this equals this, we can easily work out the value of t. Then, if t has a reasonable solution, so I'm just gonna skip details, right? Just quadratic equation. So t equals 2 solutions. And it turns out that neither of the solution makes sense, right? It's like one of the solutions is greater than 1. What is t? Cannot be greater than 1, right? Sine is a real number. So the other solution is also doesn't work, because here I require t is greater than 1 over square root of 2, but the other solution is outside of that range. So we have to say, this time I say, if it's the opposite, if square root of t minus 1 is less than 1, then maybe we'll have some sensible solution. So I should rewrite it as, I just add a negative sign, then negative, so this becomes negative. 1 minus or 1 minus t, it's called minus 1. Right? But this is less than 1, so this must be greater than 1. Right? Again, fundamental inequality, greater than equal to. But negative sign, so less than equal to. 2 square root of 2 minus 1. Which is, but this is positive, right? Less than negative, so already negative. So we're talking about absolute value. Right. So already negative, right? Already less than this one. So if we add the absolute value, the minimum value has to be this point, has to be this thing. Should be its minimum. Right? When this term equal to this term, again solving quadratic, which is not hard to solve.